Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, WYGO stands for when you get old. Alright, yay! Look what finally arrived. This here is the Allure Beauty Box, which retails for $25 a month. You get 6 products, 3 of which are guaranteed to be full size. If anyone is interested in picking up this beauty subscription, I do have a friend referral code down in my description box. When you use it, I believe you save $10 off your first box. Don't quote me on that. And in return, I think they give me a $10 credit in their shop. I don't know. But don't feel obligated to use my code, but use somebody's code so you save some money. All right, in the box, you get a little pamphlet, which will list all of the products and the full-size prices. All right, first item, what do we have here? This is from Dew of the Gods, and it's the Lip Butter Coconut Cloud. Ooh, of course, I just doused myself with some lip products so I could film. The Dew of the Gods product packaging is always really nicely sealed in plastic wrap in Memento. Interesting, the box is light blue, but the packaging is soft pink. This is a full-size product, which retails for $24. So yeah, she's a bit bougie, in my opinion. All right, so let's take a sniff to see if it has any kind of scent. All right, it's your typical squeezy tube with a slanted bit here in order to, you know, apply to your lips. It has a barely there scent of something subtly sweet. It's similar to like typical lip balms where it's petroleum jelly, Vaseline in consistency. A little softer than that. All right, I will be giving this a test run in an upcoming beauty subscription box try-on video. So make sure you're subscribed and that you click the bell icon so that you get notified by YouTube next time I post a video. All right, next product. What is this? All right, it looks like packaging from KVD Beauty, is it? Oh, look at me recognizing beauty product packaging. All right, so this is the full sleeve. Please don't be a mascara. Yeah, okay, so this is the long defined tubing mascara. If you're new here, welcome. I only wear waterproof mascara. I have very watery eyes, and that works best for me. Tubing mascara is on the verge. It's not waterproof, but I have been able to wear it a few times, and it didn't cause any issues. So I'm not sure about this one, but let's see what that retails for. Yep, if I was going to guess, I would guess $25, and that is exactly how much this retails for. Wow, that's 2 makeup products-ish. Do you guys consider a lip balm makeup? To me, it's makeup adjacent. Kind of skincare crossover into makeup, but let me know down below what you think a lip balm is considered, either skincare or makeup. All right, this next product, we have something from Juliette Has a Gun, not a perfume. I have received this in the past, but I don't remember what it smells like. So let's take a sniff. By the way, this is a 5 ml travel size. And does it come with a mister? It does. All right, I'm not wearing perfume right now, so let's see if it's going to be something I like. Oh, I'm surprised. For some reason, I was figuring I would hate it. I don't hate it. So for me, that's a good thing. Is it my favorite scent? No. But considering a lot of these perfumes I get, I don't like at all, I would consider wearing this. All right. What does the full size retail for? And does it let me know what the notes are? So the full size is 100 ml, which retails for $150. If I could do math, which I really can't, but I think $150 divided by 100 ml is 1.5 or like $1.50 per 1 milliliter. $1.50 times 5, $7.50. Don't quote me on that. All right, so the sample's around $7.50, less than $10. And what are the notes? Okay, easy for me to say out loud and remember because it has 1 scent note called Cetilax, which is a fresh musk that is deceptively complex. Wow, okay. All of you watching who are really into the scents, let me know what this would mix well with. I tend to like fruity, sweet scents. Is this a good one to layer? I'm trying to get more into perfumes, but you know, I'm a slow learner. All right, next product. What is this? Has some heft to it compared to the other products. All right, so it's from Eclat Skin London, and it's a limited edition micellar water. That is a product I actually use every time I wear makeup. So yay. Never heard of this brand. This, I'm gonna presume, is like sample size because she's tiny. But let's see what the little booklet has to say. No, this is full size. That seems tiny to me. This is actually 100 ml. That's deceiving. And that retails for $38.09. Oh, it's a British, so they must have done some conversion. I'm just going to round it down to $38. Shut the front door for this itty bitty. Wow, okay. So hopefully that's a good one. Next product. All right, talk about tiny. So this definitely better be a sample. So what is this? It's from a brand called NYO, and it's a pure cleansing oil. Ooh, I use cleansing foams, but not cleansing oils. But let's see what full size is. Okay, 200 milliliters for $29. And this is a 25 ml sample. All right, last product. What do we have here? Please don't be something for the hair. Daily Concept Reusable Rounds. I don't know why I thought that would be a hair product. Okay, reusable rounds. So it's a 2-pack of what I'm going to assume are... Ooh. These are, first off, extremely soft. I mean, we're talking newborn baby blanket soft, and they're much larger than what I was anticipating. Okay, now there's a lot of fuzz kind of coming off them. I'm wondering if after you wash it that will stop, because I would use this like on my face, and I'd hate for the fuzz to get in my lashes and then, you know, into my eyes. And I should be more green. I did a green eye look. If you missed it, I'll link it. Yeah. But I mean, for the planet, I recycle. I do many things for the planet. But when it comes to beauty products, I use disposable Q-tips, cotton squares, etc. So if these work, then yeah, Mother Earth will be very happy with me. All right, is that everything? Yes. Okay. I feel like I forgot to mention prices. Oh, are those considered full size? Okay, what does it say? Yes, $9.99 for a 2-pack. Okay, interesting. But this, at least to me, is considered makeup or makeup adjacent, which means we got 3 makeup-y products. Wait, a 4th? Would you consider a cleansing oil, which is typically to take off makeup? Would that be 3 makeup adjacent and 1 makeup product in an Allure box? No, wait. In a micellar water? What's going on? Are they thinking we need to clean our faces? It just occurred to me. Cleaning, meant for cleaning. Cleaning. What else did we get? Perfume. Makeup. What's the 6th product? I've already lost it right in front of me here. Oh, the lip oil. Wait, what happened to the lip oil? Seriously, if you can see the mess in front of me. I literally open it, set it down, and I cannot find it. OMG. Okay. And the lip balm. Wow. Doing unboxing is hard. Alright, so I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Again, this is a $25 box. We got a $25 mascara, so already the box is paid for, and everything else on top is bonus. I want to say, based off of the last few boxes, this one's pretty basic. However, I will use these products more than last month's box, which to me was a little This one's a little as well. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just not as exciting as when we got a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in a box. But I do use lip balms. I do use micellar water. I think I'm going to use these. The perfume is, I was going to say tolerable. That's such a rave review. It's okay. This oil, not exciting. And this mascara is tubing. Let me rethink. Is it as good as last month? No, it's not bad. Definitely worth $25. Just Allure was going upstream really well and is kind of taking a downturn. I still like the box. $25, you get a good deal. Just not the most spectacular box. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think of the items? What do you think of these really soft pads? Do you use something like that? Are they worth it? This is what I fear. I'll use them. They'll be gunked up and dirty. And then I'll forget to put them in the wash. And then like a month later, I'll throw them in the wash. They're so tiny, they'll get lost in the wash. I don't know. But I'm curious if it's worth it. And they do seem a little pricey. $10 for two really thin, really soft. Like I feel like you could go to like TJ Maxx or someplace and buy a really soft baby blanket. And then cut little squares and make your own. Like get 30 of them out of a blanket for around the same price. I don't know. But I'm going to end the video now because I'm starting to ramble. Alright, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so that you do get notified when I post future videos. And the biggest thing you can do to support my channel, it's free. It takes you 2 seconds. It's to literally click the thumbs up button. Alright, thanks everyone!